Hi there, this is Vaishali. Today I am going to show you this bird brooch. So before we start, please like, subscribe and press bell icon to get further notification of my videos. So let's start. So for that, to make this brooch, we will need a knife tool, a ball tool, acrylic color, brush, glue, a brooch pin, a thread with the beads and clay. So I have made all body parts ready. Its bird's body, its feather, beak and um clay to attach this brooch pin. So what I have done is given a texture with the help of this knife tool. What you have to do is scratch all the clay slowly and give a texture like this. Once you finish giving a texture, take your feather and the frill under the feather and glue it. Once you attach this feather with the frill, then you have to attach its beak. Glue this beak at the center of the face of this bird like this. Now take little clay, pink color clay and the thread with the beads and attach its back side of this bird's body. So now take your glue and glue it and then take this beads with the thread and take little clay and fix it. It will look like this. Then we'll make its eye with the acrylic color. I'll take a brush once the clay is dry after 12 hours, you can attach this brooch pin at the back of its body like this with the glue and a clay in the similar manner, and your brooch pin is ready. Please, I guess you like this video. Please subscribe and share my channel. Bye till now. See you next time with such videos.